Welcome back to Cars and Bikes Updater. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most iconic superbikes in the world, the all-new 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1. Known for its MotoGP-inspired engineering and race-bred performance, the R1 continues to evolve, and this latest version is sharper, faster, and more refined than ever. Starting with its design, the 2025 YZF-R1 keeps its aggressive stance but introduces some refined aerodynamic elements. Updated winglets are now integrated more seamlessly into the fairings, enhancing downforce at high speeds. The icon blue paint scheme, combined with its angular LED lighting and sharper lines, gives the bike a futuristic, high-performance look that's sure to turn heads wherever it's parked, especially in a clean, white showroom setting. Under the skin, the R1 is still powered by Yamaha's legendary 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine with a crossplane crankshaft. While the horsepower remains around 200, Yamaha has optimized the intake and exhaust systems for improved mid-range torque and smoother throttle response. The result? A raw, naturally aspirated power band that feels as aggressive as ever while still being incredibly controllable. When it comes to technology, Yamaha has truly loaded the R1 for 2025. You get a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, that feeds data to a host of rider aids, including lean-sensitive traction control, slide control, launch control, engine brake management, and wheelie control. All of this is now managed through a crisp 5-inch full-color TFT display that's more intuitive and responsive than previous generations. On the chassis side, the 2025 YZF-R1 rides on a proven aluminum Delta box frame, paired with fully adjustable KYB front forks and a premium rear monoshock. Whether you're on the street or the racetrack, this setup ensures superb handling and cornering precision. Stopping power is equally impressive thanks to dual 320mm front discs with Brembo radial calipers, delivering strong and consistent braking performance. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1 is expected to be available in the US market with a starting price of around $18,399. That puts it in line with other leader-class superbikes, but Yamaha's balance of performance, technology, and MotoGP pedigree gives it a clear edge for many enthusiasts. So, if you're looking for a motorcycle that blends race-proven DNA with cutting-edge electronics and stunning looks, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1 deserves your attention. It's not just a bike, it's an experience. Thanks for watching Cars and Bikes Updater. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest cars and bikes. See you in the next video.